Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. Yes, I am still in my pyjamas. I have not been well, but I am on the mend and I want to get into this project. Today I am making a pirate or tricorn hat out of EVA foam. I am using the pattern and instructions by Lost Wax, so go check out the channel and let's get to putting this together. Okay, so it's the next day. I feel much better. I properly showered, brushed my teeth, brushed my hair. I am wearing people clothes. Right, so yesterday we got the hat fully assembled, and you might be thinking, how does this become a pirate hat? Well, these two sides here curl at the front to make the front of the tricorn. This back piece curls down. Now, where I'm going to differentiate, or my design differs from that of Lost Wax, is at this point he has you add a small strip of bias binding made out of foam, and you put your wire in throughout there. I'm going to do them a little differently. I'm going to seal and paint this completely. Then I have this trim, which I bought at a thrift store, that I am going to use to seal in the wire by gluing it all along there. And this is very similar in colour scheme to the corset that I'm going to wear it with. So we are going to mix up some paint. I'm going to mix up one of my darkest browns. I'm going to mix in some PVA glue because that will help seal the foam, and some fabric medium because that will help it flex and not crack, as well as some copper paint. And I'm going to do 2 to 3, maybe even 4 coats. We'll just see how it goes. The only part I'm not going to paint is this internal part of the crown. So let's get to paint mixing. Okay, it's been a couple of days doing multiple layers of the paint mix that we made up. So I have 3 layers on the top side and the underside. It doesn't really look pirate hat-like at the moment. I've also gone around with a gold paint marker and just done this edge for a little bit of interest, but we're now at the point where we can put in the wire, which is going to help keep its shape when we bend it. So I went to the dollar store and I got some galvanized wire. It's 1 millimeter or 1/32 of an inch. So we've got 98 feet, which I'm pretty sure is enough. But for $2, I'm not complaining. And the trim. Trim. We're going to use this. And where does... My goodness. Okay, so with this trim, we're going to glue the wire in and then the trim on top, all the way around the edge of this underside, which will, when it gets bent up, this will be the front here. It will curl up like this, kind of like that, and that trim will be seen all around here. So I'm going to plug in the hot glue gun, get this wire ready, and set up a time lapse and just fingers crossed, hopes that this works, because I've put a lot of effort into this so far, and I really want to wear this to Armageddon. Okay, so there is trim on both sides, and I've gone and touched up all of the gold around the edges, and now I'm going to fold it into the tricorn, but hope I don't screw it up. Okay, so here is my head. So this is the front, the back. I've had to put a bit of hot glue here, here, and here just to keep it in position, because the wire I bought wasn't exactly strong enough, or I haven't heated the foam at all because I don't want the paint to peel. And on the inside, I've also done some trim, and I've put some here, here, and here to help fit my head better. But I'm going to be one hot pirate, and I'll see you in the reveal. This is my pirate hat. I hope you liked the video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and I will see you next time.